Hello everyone, welcome to ViASTUDY. Today we discuss about cleared AZ400 without clearing the prerequisite exam AZ104. So this topic is for like if someone has been already qualified the AZ400 without clearing the prerequisite exam of AZ104 or the 204. So, if you have already qualified as at 400, no issue. You need to first qualify the prerequisite. The hurdle is behind this as at 400 qualifying first is like your certificate will not get released and even your badges will not get released by the Microsoft. So, yes, since you have already passed the AZ 400 exam, you just need to pass either AZ 104 or AZ 204 exam to earn the Microsoft Certified DevOps Expert Certificate and badges. So, as a DevOps engineer, you are the developer and the infrastructure administrator who also has the subject matter expertise in working with people, process, and products to enable the continuous delivery of value in organizations. So, your responsibility for this role includes designing, implementing a strategy for collaborations, code infrastructure, source control, security, compliance, CI, continuous integration, testing, delivery, monitoring, and feedbacks as well. So, as a developer, the DevOps engineer. You work on cross functional team that includes the developer, site reliability engineer, Azure administrator. So you must have the experience with administrating and developing in Azure with the strong skill in at least one of these area. You should be familiar with Azure DevOps GitHub. So skill measured, I'm showing the one picture. Then you can do understand how you can do achieve your Azure 400 certification. So if you can see that in this picture, there is a two prerequisite options. One is the prerequisite options one. I'm in the Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate. It's a AZ 104. And another one is the prerequisite option two is AZ 204 Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate. So once you qualified any one of them, there is no need to qualify both. One is for the administrator, another one is for the developer. So you first need to qualify the any one of them, then you can go for the AZ 400 exam. Once you qualified the AZ 400 exam and the prerequisite, then after you can earn the certificate and the badges provided by the Microsoft. So this AZ 400 exam is the higher professional certificate for the expert purpose. So for qualifying this AZ 400 exam, you must have qualified the two certification. One is the prerequisite, another one is the AZ 400. So let's go on the official website of Microsoft Learning website. I'm switching on that. Yeah. So here you can see that the certificate details and the skills measured, what kind of questions will come on for the AZ 400 exam, and what will be the role. So and what kind of prerequisites will require. So two certification, if you can see that. So if you click on the two certificates, so there is the two options will available. Either you need to do qualify the Azure Administrator Associate and or the Azure Developer Associate. So any one of them you must have qualified before you are going for the AZ 400 exam. There is no issue if you have already qualified the AZ 400, but your certificate and badges will not get released without any one of them prerequisite qualified. Okay. So if you can see that AZ 400 designing and implementing Microsoft Dev solutions, exam cost is $165 USD in INR. If you can see that, so it's around 4,800. Uh, so this is the cost of certificate for the single. There is a 400 exam certificate cost. If you want to check for the Azure Developer Associate, you can click on that, and here you can see that the skill measured and the details and other things, all the things will be available. Even $165 USD is for the AZ 204 exam. If you want in INR, so click on the India. So it's around 4,800. So I think it's without GST. So it will be around in the 5,000 plus, most probably. So this is the details. Uh, so in this exam, in the AZ 400 exam, mostly questions will related to the design and implement the processes and communications, design and implement the source control strategy. So those kind of questions you will get release pipelines, build and the implementing pipeline. So those things will get available, developer security and the compliance plan, and implement an instrumentation strategy. So these things will measured in this exam. So I think all the details is available on the Microsoft Office's websites, even items and some collections and the skill measured. So those questions and the question types and syllabus is available. You just need to do follow up and try to do qualify. Thank you and best of luck.